Hello everyone, this is Kent Borgland's place, and I shall try to explain for you how my curing chambers have for equipment and how it's working. I'm not so good at English, so you have to excuse my English, but I do my best. Here I have 1, 2, 3, 4 curing chambers. The first one, of course, is the oldest and have not so good control of the humidification and the temperature. And the second one is just a normal fridge, and the third one is Borgland 2.0 I call it, and the last one is Borgland 3.0. This Curingcamber is a normal fridge. I bought it on Blocket, we call it in Sweden, or eBay, it's just the same thing. And here is the front panel. On off, you understand what this is on off. Temperature, fukt is the same as humidity, and fläkt is the same as fan. Avfukt is dehumidification. Here you have a fuse, my name, and a potentiometer to regulate the fan speed. The controller is, I bought this from Oberins. I don't remember the exactly product number, but I shall put it in the text somewhere here in the blog. This is just on off, as I told you before, for the everything on, off and on. The good thing with this controller, is that you can see the set value and the process value. Here you can see I put it in 12 degrees Celsius, and it is 12.9 degrees Celsius. 0.9 degrees above the set point. And this is a so-called PID regulation, PID. The good thing with this is really high accuracy on the steering the temperature up. This controller is bought from Fortex, Forttex in England. In my next Curingcamber that I'm building now, I have a humidity controller from Oberins. Here you have just a normal switch to put the fan, fläkt, on off, and I'm a little fancy in this thing who has lights, and I'm a little crazy there. I need light and blinking stuff and sounds. Here you have a potentiometer to regulate the fan speed. Okay, I shall show you inside the cabin, curing chamber. Here's the back of the controller. All the electricity is connected in here. Here you have all the cables inside. Here is for the temperature sensor and the humidity sensor. Here is some salamis that is maturing, and the mold is growing with mold and without mold. And here you have the power source for heating and humidification. Now the humidification is so high, so I don't have a humidification in this curing chamber, but if I open that one, you can see there is a humidifier. Okay, what's happening? Here you can see the temperature is 13.2 degrees Celsius, and soon the alarm is going on, and the compressor in the fridge is switching on and take down the temperature to 12 degrees again. Sorry. And when the temperature goes down to under 12 degrees, the PID regulation is starting the power here to this heater. It's a small heater bought from a place in Sweden called Biltema, and it's cost around $16–17, 140 Swedish crowns, that is 12.5 US English pound. A PID regulator is just regulating the pulsing out the electricity out to the heater, so it's very exactly controlling the temperature up. As you hear, it was too heat in the fridge, so the controller was putting the compressor on, and it's looked like this. History is 1. It means that when it's about 13.2 degrees, it's going down to 12 degrees again. This fukt humidification or fukt dehumidification. This is an important thing as the tricky part. To humidify a curing chamber, that's rather easy, because then you just use this kind of equipment. There's a lot of different in the market. But to dehumidifying, that's quite hard. Then I use an aquarium, a lizard lamp. Look like this. It's a small heater source. It's 60 watts. It's just for lizards in aquarium and for snakes, and to heat up. Then it's drying out the humidification, drying out the Curingcamber and take down the humidity. It's working quite well. And here you see the fan. Now it's stop. I'm starting it here, and I can regulate the fan speed. The fan is just a computer fan, and it's have 12 voltage electricity. So I use a power source from Biltema again, a small power source, to LED lights. And the speed is just with this potentiometer here. The important thing with this potentiometer is that it can handle high effects. It needs to handle 5 watts or more. And you can find that kind of potentiometers on all stereo equipments, on all the amplifier, and you can buy it from some electric store somewhere. If you buy them, they can be expensive. So 500 crowns maybe, that's what is that? That is $60 I think that is a high price. The price for this one is $42, and for that one is around $45. Obrins have another one for I think it's $80. This kind of equipment is just $1.50 or $2. This is just $1. All the signs I bought from a Swedish store on the internet called Skyltmax.com. I know the Swedish language is not the easiest one. It's quite hard. As I told you before, I'm a little crazy lamps and stuff. So I have a red lamp for heating and a blue one for humidification. And I control the temperature around 0.3 plus minus 0.3 degrees. The process value are around 0.3 plus minus than the set value, and the humidity is around plus minus 2-3 degrees humidity. Okay, I hope you understand what I'm saying, and you can send me a mail if you want more answers. Here is the electricity is going in. I have connect all the cables on the back side of the fridge, and you can find a wiring diagram on internet on my blog. Here is a very good thing, a small temperature measurement equipment with a very thin probe. This is very good to measure temperature in when you're making food. Okay, I'll give you more examples later. Bye.